Algo Fest Hackathon 2026. What if your data is safe today, but not safe forever? That is the threat KyberShield was built to solve. Right now, organizations are storing and transmitting highly sensitive information that may stay valuable for years, maybe decades. Financial records, medical data, legal archives, internal corporate traffic, government communications. All of it can be captured now and decrypted later when quantum computers become powerful enough. That is the harvest now, decrypt later problem, and it is one of the biggest hidden risks in modern cybersecurity. KyberShield is our answer, an efficient post-quantum cryptography platform for enterprises. At its core, KyberShield helps organizations detect risk, protect traffic, and prepare for a quantum-safe future without making the transition feel abstract or impossible. First, it provides a quantum-safe VPN layer for secure communication. Instead of relying only on legacy assumptions, KyberShield is designed around hybrid cryptographic protection so organizations can think about secure tunnels in a future-proof way. Second, it includes an automated post-quantum migration scanner. This scans TLS endpoints and legacy cryptographic patterns, then turns that information into a clear readiness assessment. So instead of guessing where the weak points are, security teams can actually see them. Third, KyberShield supports a quantum-safe proxy and distributed data workflow, showing that post-quantum protection is not just theoretical, it can support real enterprise communication patterns. And fourth, it extends the idea of security into long-term archival protection. Because the truth is, many systems focus only on live traffic, but the real danger often sits in stored data that needs to stay confidential for years. What makes KyberShield different is that it is not just a crypto demo. It is a product experience. We focused on making cryptographic risk visible, understandable, and actionable through a dashboard that shows exposure, readiness, and recommendations in a way that teams can actually use. We built KyberShield as a modular platform so each part contributes to one clear story. Assess the risk, protect the connection, and secure the future. Our biggest challenge was balancing technical depth with clarity. Post-quantum cryptography is complex, but a good security tool should make complexity easier to understand, not harder. So we designed the system to be realistic, visual, and presentation ready. What we are most proud of is that KyberShield feels like a real migration platform, not just a concept. It addresses a threat that is easy to ignore, but impossible to afford later. KyberShield is about moving from legacy assumptions to quantum-safe resilience, efficiently, visibly, and practically. That is why we built it, and that is why it matters.